If you're not happy with what you are or where you're at right now, maybe you should change what you're doing on a day-to-day basis. Because I say this all the time. The reason you are where you are is because of what you were doing 5 years ago, a year ago.
Oh boy, oh boy.
Going into 10 o'clock, we'll see. Real shit, because damn, I was at TP, what did that shit went up $300. It's just a probability game. Win more than you lose, and make sure your wins are significantly bigger than your losses. We still wake up at the same time to keep the routine. Routine is very key, so I try to do the same thing with the team. Even the days that we're not live trading. Morning, everybody. Welcome back. New day, new money, new opportunities. But if you have been watching these videos, if you watched the 2 previous vlogs, go check them out because they've been doing numbers. The video from 2 days ago is at like 11K and the video from yesterday is at like 3K right now. So we've done like 14,000 views in the past 2 days. So go check those out. A lot of value, a lot of game. But like I was saying, we took L's yesterday. We took L's the day before that. We lost $1,100 in 2 days. Those are the only trades that I took. I didn't trade Monday, didn't trade Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday I lost. So you know what that means? We can't trade today. But I'm not trading, but nonetheless, I am going to be active with the team. I'm going to call out trades as I would take them. I'm just not physically going to put them into an account. I'll pretend to take the trade. I'll call the trade. I'll be active with the team. Do everything that we usually do. Right now, we have about 22 people active. So it's early. We're going to give value, change lives, and we're just going to have a great, productive Friday. It's the end of the week. So let's end it off strong and do what's got us to this point. If you're not happy with what you are or where you're at right now, maybe you should change what you're doing on a day-to-day basis. Because I say this all the time. The reason you are where you are is because of what you were doing 5 years ago, a year ago. Where you are in 5 years and a year is going to be determined on what you did yesterday, today, and tomorrow. So let's get to work.
Oh boy, oh boy.
Only lost 1,100 though. Last week I made 27, and that wasn't even a crazy week. It was a L week, but overall it's not horrible. Nothing you can't make back. I liked it on, like I was looking at NAS. Like NAS is the only thing that makes sense because I would have been able to get in off that 1 hour gap at 9:30 after we traded into this 4 hour gap. But by the time I looked at it, it was already up here. So we would have been at TP1, but it's been up there already. Looks like it could just take off, to be honest. And I guess, let's see, I'm about to take this paper trade long at 20,000. Let's see, give it a second. Yeah, I'll trust it. It's a fucking paper trade. Why am I stressing? I actually felt an emotion. Ain't that weird? We're going into 10 o'clock. We'll see. If it wants to drop off, hey, bearish Friday. Bearish Friday. Gap. 30's at that 4 hour gap I was going to watch. We still got that low to target. It's just the only thing is at an all-time high, but it's only going to be a paper trade. We're just going to see. It will be a 10 o'clock short, 10 a.m. at the 4 hour for value gap. It's not a bad idea for me to enter. I need you to actually tap it, you know, like an actual tap, not skim it. You know what? I'll get the 50-point stop here. I won't try to go too crazy. Paper trade shorts at the 4 hour for value gap at 10 o'clock. You could call it a silver bullet, but we'll see what happens. Now we wait. Depending on the time you try to get into, there's a couple of things that it could have been. It just really comes down to just knowing the exact drawing. Y'all took these shorts? Well, at least I waited here, man. At least I was patient. Cause I was gonna get off the charts. I'm like, damn, it's only like 10:20. Real shit. Cause damn, I was at TP. What did that shit went up $300? And then went up again. This shit is moving ridiculous. Yo, I'm breaking even just because it did hit TP1. It just came up a second after. But nonetheless, yeah, I'm breaking even on that trade. It hit TP1 for a second, but that TP1 hit rules are rules. Yeah, the paper trade came all the way back to break even. We got stopped out, but we're off the call now. It's about 10:37. 2 paper trades. One was a break even and one was an L. So if I would have took those on my actual account, it would have just been an L day. So honestly, we ain't lose nothing. Good day. I would have wanted to, I would have wanted to catch a trade, but it is what it is. The market conditions aren't the best. Even Keno, he was in a trade. He was in a profitable trade. It was in profit, and it came all the way back and stopped him in profit. So it's just a very choppy day. And fortunately enough, US 30 even gave a move. NAS, it was even more choppier. NAS didn't do nothing. Look at this. NAS literally hasn't moved at all. So it is what it is. We be back. I'm gonna send the session times for this weekend because as you guys know with VIP, we live trade Monday through Friday. But then on the weekends, we have the educational sessions, money mindset trading, where we go over all of the stuff that you need outside of the actual charts and outside of getting the experience. It's just the education and everything. But about to get the rest of our day started. Fuck these charts, off these joints. No beans. I'm gonna get chicken. No thank you. I'm gonna just get cheese and corn. Yeah, lemonade. And we outside. First things first, I gotta go put gas in the fucking tank. You know what I'm saying? The little mini tank. Not big tank, mini tank. What am I saying? It's not a tank at all. I gotta put it in the car. But with that being said, we about to get the rest of our day started. The trading day is over. We took no trades. Well, we took some paper trades, but they weren't real trades. This is a big ass little tractor. That shit, I need one of those in the backyard, no cap. Yeah, no trades on the real accounts. It is what it is. We had an L week, but it was a small L week. We lost $1,100. It could have been worse. We could have made some money, but nonetheless, I can't control the result. I can only control my inputs. The outputs is beyond me. It's the same thing with the YouTube videos. Some YouTube videos hit 10K views. Some videos hit 1K. You know what I mean? It's not. I could do the same exact video type. One will go crazy, one won't. Same thing with trades. One trade that I take that makes me $1,000, the same type of trade could lose me $1,000. It's just a probability game. Win more than you lose, and make sure your wins are significantly bigger than your losses. It's not a complicated game at the end of the day. But with that being said, after I get gas, I got to go to the gym. We got to work on our physical. There's 3 things you should be focusing on every single day: building yourself mentally, physically, and financially. If you focus on all of those 3 things, you're going to have a pretty successful life. Now, that doesn't mean you're going to have a happy life. You still got to do things on a day-to-day basis to make sure that you're happy, make sure everything around you is in place so that you're happy. Nothing happens by accident. You got to make sure everything is planned. People that are happy aren't just happy on accident. They've set up their life to be happy, and they're appreciative of what they got. Then after we get done in the gym, I got to do some content work. That's going to be something that you guys don't necessarily see, but it's going to be content work. I'm going to work on some programs. I'm going to work on some stuff for the team, all that stuff that you guys aren't going to be able to see on here. But it's just part of the working day. These are just daily vlogs as a 22-year-old entrepreneur. I got a lot of stuff to do also with this apartment that we're moving into. On Monday, I got a call to get the electric transfer from my apartment now to the next one. Got to do the same thing with the Wi-Fi. I got renter's insurance. I got the renter's insurance earlier. I also needed to get that so I can get everything for the move-in date on Monday. I got to get the check. I got to get $5,400 in money orders so I can give that to them to move in. It's just a whole lot of stuff going on, but nonetheless, we're still going to get to work. And I got the VIP sessions this weekend. And I got to get a haircut tomorrow. It's going to be a fun week. But let's get this gas. Oh, man. Got to fill it up. It's dirty. Look like I killed a bug there. That's tough. Real tough. But yeah, get some gas, then we gotta head to the gym. The job ain't done. All right, we made it out the first area of traffic. Now we're about to see, are we about to get hit with more traffic? Let's see. I hope we don't. I still got like a 15-minute drive. I still got a while to go. So if there's traffic over here, this is gonna be fucked up. But let's just hope for the best. Put on some new G Herbo. I hear somebody. Situations like these, when I'm going to the gym, I was gonna bring this one to record. I'm still gonna get footage with it, but I forgot the other mic, the one that connects to me. But you know what? I got my camera glasses, so it's not as bad. We about to get this workout. I got a slight headache, but that's not gonna stop us from doing what we gotta do. It's just another day at work. Oh man, I would be lying if I said I wanted to be in the gym today. It's a little cloudy right now, but we're gonna do what we gotta do every single day. It's not gonna be a day we feel the best, but we still gotta push through regardless. That's why we have daily action steps. That's why we have a schedule to begin with, to follow it every single day. All right, so right now we about to go get some tacos, get some food. We got Chipotle earlier. Now that I think about it, it's a Mexican day again. Oh man, history repeats itself. Let me put this on here. But so far today, we got cops in the background. But it's been an eventful day. So with all the stuff with the apartment that I need to get done by Monday with the renter's insurance, I did that, had to send that over. Had to get the electric switched over. I had to do that. That's done now. And the only thing I'm waiting for is I got to get the renter's insurance, the policy validated. Then after it's validated, then all I got to do is we just got to get the money orders and pay for it, and then we're moved in. Now it's just getting all the moving stuff. And I just thought about it. When I move, I'm gonna be able to record the whole moving process with the U-Haul and everything because of the glasses. So it's gonna be a cool experience. It's gonna be a active vlog nonetheless. But right now, like I said, we about to get some food, then we're gonna head back to the house, and I'm gonna talk to you guys about a few things, and then we're gonna end the video off. All right, and we back in the crib and everything. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I have a mean ass headache right now. It's just going crazy. But you know what else is going crazy? These YouTube views. Shit is going stupid. Just want to say, appreciate you guys. Appreciate that I could just vlog my day in the life. But right now, I'm about to send the times for tomorrow. We got a new member in VIP. Let me just send that welcome message. Every person that joins VIP gets a welcome message. No cap. I'm about to send the times for this weekend's chart times, for this weekend's sessions. The main thing is gonna be, I already have like the notes already, like for the main stuff. This weekend session times, tomorrow morning, we're gonna have our weekly market review. We're gonna go over everything from this week. So all the losses I took, all the days, Monday through Friday, we're gonna go over it. We're gonna back test it. We're gonna review it. Then we're gonna go over my expectations for next week and what to expect with the indexes US 30, NAS 100 and everything. And then if you have any charts for me to look at, we can also do that. So that's gonna be tomorrow at 8 a.m. No, it's gonna be at 9:30 a.m. Let me get all these times. And then Sunday, we're gonna have our session on how to become a full-time trader and the reality of it. So basically the bills, basically how much you should be making when you go full-time to leave your job, all of that good stuff on how to be a full-time entrepreneur, just surviving without a job. We're gonna have the same thing at 9:30 a.m. We're gonna be going over that. So the next 2 mornings were jam-packed. We still wake up at the same time to keep the routine. Routine is very key, so I try to do the same thing with the team. Even on the days that we don't have the charts, even the days that we're not live trading, we still wake up at the same time, 7 days a week. We have a session every single day. So with that being said, this is where we're gonna end the video off. I appreciate you guys for watching the video. If you wanna learn how to trade, the trading concepts, my systems, everything when it comes to what I use on a day-to-day basis, check out the free trading course, check out the free trading webinars. It's completely free. Trust me, it's a lot of free value and it might be free, but it's a lot of game. And you can ask anybody in the comments, it's a lot of game. And then for the people that want to actually trade live, you can take my trades, you can take the people in the community's trades, you can live trade with us, and you can get experience, because experience is the main thing that builds you as a trader. Join the VIP Trader Network. We're active every single day. A session every single day. That could change your life, and trust me, it's not expensive. So with that being said, stay safe, stay productive, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's daily video.